Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2016 on a 65 plate Ford Fiesta Zetec. This is the 1.25 4-cylinder petrol engine with a 5-speed manual gearbox and 3 doors, finished in the fantastic candy red pearl, and it's covered just 10,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk around this very, very low mileage Fiesta Zetec. January 2016 registered, just 10,300 miles. Officially 2 owners from new, but both in the same family, so it's been at the same address from new. Does come with service history. We've got 4 recorded. Obviously it's not been done every year because of the super low mileage, but still really well maintained. We've got these nice 15-inch silver alloy wheels to go with the candy red pearl, which was an expensive added option, over 500 quid I believe, but looks fantastic. This is the 1.25 4-cylinder petrol engine, not the EcoBoost. So this is a slightly older engine, ever so reliable. £150 a year to tax, that's all. Up to 50 miles to the gallon as well, according to Ford. And a really sensible insurance group, so as I'm sure you all know, Fiestas tick a huge amount of boxes. Very reliable, good looking, excellent to drive, nicely appointed. Interior's nice and tidy. The very familiar Ford layout. It comes with remote central locking, of course, and does come supplied with 2 remote keys, electric front windows, electronically adjustable door mirrors. Up onto the steering wheel itself you've got controls for your Bluetooth and radio. There's your mileage, 10,380. Down below, cup holder at the back, couple more cup holders moving forward, manual handbrake, 12-volt socket, USB and auxiliary inputs. In the glove box we've got all your handbooks and locking wheel nut key. 5-speed manual gearbox, and then up above the Ford layout, which I'm sure you all know. Air conditioning, of course, heated front windscreen, which is Ford's little party piece, clears the screen very, very quickly when it's frosty. Excellent to have this time of year. Up above, radio CD. It's a DAB digital radio, so FM, AM and DAB. Bluetooth for your telephone. Very straightforward indeed. 3-door model, so rear seats obviously just pop forward there. 3 seat belts in the back with the ISOFIX for the child seats. I'm not sure the rear seats have ever been sat in, to be quite honest. Really nice and tidy. And then round to the boot space. Always an excellent size on these Fiestas. Split folding rear seats, you've got a parcel shelf at the top, and then really good size. Underneath, the luxury of a 14-inch spare wheel, never been out by the looks of it, brand new Continental tyre on there. And there we go. January 2016 Ford Fiesta Zetec 1.25 petrol with 3 doors and a manual gearbox, just 10,000 miles, family owned from new, with service history. Finance is available for around £180 a month based on a 10% deposit, and the car will come supplied with a fresh MOT. We'll also be servicing the car, and it does come with 2 keys, plus our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And if you would like to come and view, we do work on an appointment only basis. So please do give us a call, 01989 769 900. You can also contact us via our email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. And if you need any more information, registration number, insurance groups, finance calculator, it's all on the website, which is www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Really good value, very, very low mileage example. Lovely colour. This one shouldn't be here long. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.